Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the Osprey. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,540 square feet. The Osprey is here. What's going on, guys? Regan with the Contractor. Nick Holmes, my business partner and the CEO of the Contractor, is out and about, busy doing his thing today. I have Abe Shop behind the camera. Let's go inside and take a tour of affordable housing with the Osprey.
We're gonna build you for the customer, and you're gonna take care of them, and you're gonna let them sleep at night, and you're gonna protect them, and you're gonna make sure that there's no rain on them or anything, okay?
All right, guys, so we are now here inside on the Osprey model. Now, I'm definitely 6'3" with these shoes on, and I will tell you that you have 8-foot ceilings right here, and that is a huge, huge cost savings as well. So coming inside, let's take a look. As you can see, drywall is up. You're gonna come in into the main living area when you first come inside. Then it immediately goes into your galley kitchen. And I'm sure Josh or Jacob in the editing studio will show you what this looks like when it's completed, because we built quite a few of these now. But you have a galley kitchen on each side. And then right here, you have your spot for the washer and dryer. So yes, it's a smaller home, but we were able to fit 3 bedrooms in 1,540 square feet. And for $199.9, that is a lot of bang for the buck, because you're getting luxury vinyl planking, you're getting real wood cabinets, you're getting nice countertops, you're getting a really nice home all put together for $1,540, including appliances, including everything. So let's go take a look at the rest of the house. All right, this is your AC closet. So your main vents coming in here, air is coming in, breathing through. And then you have your AC handler right here. And then this is your electrical box in the main, I guess you would say, hallway between all bedrooms. So bedrooms are off this way, a linen closet, towel closet in this hallway here. Okay, so this would be the kids' bathroom here. So when you first come in, I'm sorry, Josh, I know it's dark, but you have your vanity right here, then your toilet, and then shower tub combo. You put red guard on that tile, looks awesome. And then boom, look to your left, my right. We have another bedroom right here. Window for egress in case there's ever a fire, but obviously also beautiful views, but nice bedrooms. It's just enough for a kid. You can do a nice double bed here, single bed here, double on this side. You have your outlets for a television. You have it all right here. And behind you is another one. Let's go into that other bedroom. So other kids' bedroom right here, same thing. Window for egress, closet over here, just enough plugs, and then you can set up the bed either which way. Junction box for a fan, and then now into the master. And master bathroom right here. So you're gonna come in, you have your vanity right here, and then your shower right here. You have your valve, hey there, I'm in the shower. So you have your valve right here, shower head right here, and either your curtain or glass, whatever you decide to choose, right here in this bathroom. And then now into the master sleeping area, double closet. And you could fit a king size bed here if you wish, or queen, plenty of room. All right, so the best setup for this one, because you have your window going out the back, would be a queen size bed on this wall here. Then you have your TV wall here as well. We try to make these standard now in today's world. It's not even a request anymore. It's just part of the norm. You put your flat screen TV up, and there you go. So you have nice viewing of your television. And that is the Osprey. Let's go around the outside, take a look. All right, so the beauty part about this house, $199 now, $199.9. They bought this lot. It's a beautiful piece of property. It's actually a really nice piece of property. You got your nice little roundabout area there. You got your septic in the back. Then we go to the side of the house here. You can see our wrap, our vapor barrier wrap on the side, hose bib over here as well. Coming over here to the back of the property. Now this right here is right off of the kitchen, walking through the laundry room. So obviously, guys, we're making this affordable. So we just put enough of a slab out here so you can put your grill out here and that's it. But look at all the room you have. If this was my home, I would get pavers and I would extend it all the way over so you had all this outside area to entertain if you wish. And then obviously so much property here, they could choose a pool or whatever, but you can see the grade of the property and how far it goes down from where it was. So we had to bring in a significant amount of fill to get this above the plane where we needed it to be. And then you can see back in the day, or who knows, like swamp, historically swamp back there. So we wanted to bring that up and out of the floodplain. But beautiful home, dimensional shingle roofing, and that is the Osprey, $199,900. We got a lot more houses to go take a look at. Let's go take a look. All right, so for $199,900, what do you get? You know, everybody's like, oh, you know, is it architecturally this? Listen, guys, it's affordable homes. Let's just be real here. I like it. It's simple, rectangle, but what I do love is the front porch. So the front porch here, you have an option. You could do rocking chairs, you could do a porch swing here, or like I said, you could just plug in, use electrical out here if you want to just sit out and enjoy the weather, put some fans out here. It's a front porch living, it's affordable, and that's what it's all about. And the Contractor is bringing not just luxury homes, not just barn dominiums, but affordable housing. We are here, we are here, we are here. Another project, Brooksville, Florida. Here we go. Rodney's on site, our superintendent. Here we go. Let's go check it out. What is up, Contractor fans? Regan Weiss on our tour of the day. We are here with 2 projects going on. Guess what? It's the affordable housing. 2 more Ospreys are happening. This is a part of 43 homes. That's right, folks. You heard it here first. 43 homes that we have been contracted to build these affordable homes throughout Hernando County. Let's go chat with Rodney. All right, guys, we are here with Rodney, the guy that gets it done. He is the man, the myth, the legend. Rodney, take it away. Tell us what you're doing here, brother.
All right, good morning. I'm here waiting on the investor to get here to go over a couple things. There's 43 of these things going in here, and I want to make sure everybody's on the same page, top to bottom, front to back, trying to fill a void in this county for low-income housing. But right now I'm waiting on 2 plumbing inspections, and I've got to meet the engineers from the electric company out here and hopefully have a slab down here next week.
So typically, how long does it take to build the Ospreys?
Theoretically, right at 90 to 110 days.
Which is pretty impressive, brother. Because in today's world, you're really not seeing it that much.
Yep.
And I know that the investors, they were very happy with what you've done in the past, what we've done in the past, and I know you're just going to bounce it out here again. So, do you see this being kind of like the new norm for affordable housing this way, or do you see it shifting? What do you think?
No, I think it's kind of going this way.
Yeah?
I think it's going this way.
Has anybody talked down upon framed houses? Because it's framing, let's be real. It's a different type of construction.
No, a framed house versus block.
Yes, let's talk about it.
6 one, half dozen of the other.
Okay.
They're all engineered to 160 mile an hour wind load. The only difference is you've got one that's got plywood on it, one that's block. The only concern with that is that we take care of is when we do a stick house, not only do I treat underneath the slab, but I borate the outside and I borate the inside, which gives you a 10-year warranty on it.
So the difference between vinyl siding and hardy board siding, what's your thoughts?
6 of one, half dozen of the other. Some people like vinyl, some people like hardy. I like hardy better than vinyl.
Okay.
It just holds up better. Bugs don't eat it, fire don't hurt it, water don't hurt it. The only thing is you got to maintain it.
That's it.
That's the big one right there.
You heard it from the boss himself. Let's go take a look at all the plumbing that's going on. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you.
You bet.
What's really cool about this area is driving up to it. You have beautiful palms. Like, look at it, looks like a prehistoric forest here. You have beautiful oak trees cascading over, nice windy roads, and literally as soon as you cut the corner here and you look straight on, you're gonna see these homes dead ahead, which is gonna look absolutely gorgeous. But it is, it's such a great spot. Hernando's beautiful, guys. Get on board. If you haven't yet, if you're not paying attention to it, do your due diligence, do your research, check it out. Hernando is the place to be. It's up and coming. They got everything here. And you got the Veterans Expressway to get you 1 hour to Tampa, 1 hour to the airport. I'm telling you right now, you're missing out on Hernando County. And right now, it's on that cusp. It's still affordable, but it's on that cusp. It's on the precipice of just, it's gonna be too much. So I'm telling you right now, get into Hernando County. All right, so what we're doing here today, yeah, guys, we get to make fun, pretty pictures and do stupid things with Broncos and do all that other stuff. But in seriousness, it's all about the inspections, and they have to pass inspections. So right now, we're waiting for inspectors to come out here because all the water lines are being pressure tested. They're pressure tested to 130 PSIs, and then we're gonna make sure that they're holding water, so let's go take a look at that. So as we get up here, and I know we'll wait for Josh, we don't want him to fall with his beautiful expensive camera. So as you look here, Josh, and eventually you'll get up here, you'll see that our hot water lines, we actually insulate them, what a lot of builders do not do. And I know Josh could throw that B-roll in there and take a look at it, but There's little things that we just do extra. We have to. In today's world, you can no longer be good, you have to be great. In fact, you can't even be great, you have to be phenomenal at what you do. That's why we're very transparent about the entire process, and that's why we showcase the process throughout. And that's why at the end of the project, we're giving the customer a video. How many contractors are giving the customer at the very end of the video of their entire house build? It's pretty awesome. It's a nice keepsake for them to have as well. You can see that how everything is nice and insulated going throughout, but this is literally just the same house we were just in. And there's two of them right next to one another, which is pretty awesome. And we're gonna be building 41 more of these, because this is 42 and 43 right here throughout the next year.